Need to fix Grok AI app not working? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, try uninstalling the application. Tap and hold the app and click on remove app. After that, click on delete app. Once deleted, reinstall the application. Sometimes reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue. If not, next thing you wanna do is move into App Store. In the search bar, search for Grok AI app. Move into this app right here. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, you have to click on update and update the app. Once you've got the latest version, now the next thing you can try doing is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general. And then move into iPhone storage. In the section of iPhone storage, you have to search for Grok AI app. Once found, click on it. Now click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.